Alright, chat. Today is a rainy day, rainy drive. Figured out I show you guys the ride I do to my new house. This is the ride I do every day. Relaxing day, rainy day. You guys tell me what you think in the comments. What you guys think about this area, bro. I love the mountains, I love nature. I love the fact that like I'm in the woods, in the forest. Before I was like in the city, too much people, bro. Here it's really like nice. Look at this place, bro. This is the drive I do every day, bro. It's been like 2 weeks I moved now. 2 months. No, 2 weeks. Every time I go to my house now, I got like the impression I go like to a chalet, like to like an Airbnb, you know. But it's my house. It's really a nice place. I feel better, you know. Some people say like where you live can really help you like in everyday life, just with like your stress or like if you like your life or no. If you live in a place you don't like, it's gonna be hard to live over there, you know what I mean? And here it's the first house that I get that like I feel really at my place, and yeah, that I really love. I feel better there. I want to do more videos, more content. I want to do more of what I love to do. So yeah, it's been 2 weeks I moved in here and I feel a lot better, bro. Life has been better since day one. I don't even know how to explain it, bro. Like, sometimes you just need change, but like when you get a big change, like moving somewhere else that is completely different. Like for me here, it's completely different. Like you can see there's just like trees everywhere, back roads style. And before I was in the middle of the city, I had like an auto route in front of my house, so I heard like cars every single minute, trucks in the night, everything. And yeah, I don't have this here. I have like the peace of mind. When I wake up, the only thing I hear is like the wind, birds. I really love it here, bro. I wanted to show you guys a little rainy day POV of me driving my house, so you guys see like what environment I'm in. This is my street right here, in the back roads. It's not the nicest like street because there's not even asphalt, but yeah, this is my street, chat. Look at just how you see this view, bro. I remember the first day I went to visit, it was like a beautiful sunny day, and just like the pass through here driving, I was in love, bro. So yeah, look, this is my street, really peaceful, a lot of woods, forests. And yeah, my house is right there above. You can't really see it because it's like really hidden, but that's what I like, bro. It's hidden. It's like you don't have like nosy neighbors, like people looking at you when you're just outside chilling. So yeah, chat, that's my new drive that I do every day, and that's my new house. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna show you guys the interior of the house in another video. If you guys would like to see this, please comment. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe and like. Peace out, guys.